To grow and succeed in today's fast-paced world, you must first understand how your thoughts and behaviors function. We're going to go over the significance of critical thinking and objectivity, the impact of historical and contemporary ideologies, and critical and objective tips for cultivating positive habits today. To cultivate such a mindset, thinking is a cornerstone of self-development. Individuals must examine ideas, beliefs, and situations from a rational and unbiased standpoint. In addition to facing challenges, this mindset promotes personal growth. We can face adversity with resilience and determination if we embrace the universal laws that govern our existence. Scientific advances and societal transformations each contribute to the modern landscape in their own way. Many people attribute the difficulties to the breakdown of traditional norms, but it is critical to recognize that surviving. Historical facts are frequently included. While self-centered motivations can erode the integrity of these traditions, it is critical to recognize that people recognize the need to work harder and practice. As societies, we must be patient and accept sacrifices. Recognize universal laws to accommodate growing populations. Individuals are given the ability to face challenges with calm, instead of despair. When anxiety levels are high, a critical and objective mindset can be a guiding light. Recognizing that worrying isn't a solution allows us to redirect our efforts toward identifying and resolving the root causes of our fears. We are able to focus on solving problems rather than dwelling on them as a result of this shift in focus. Developing a sense of well-being. While confronted with such complexities, modern society faces a complex set of challenges, whether they are technological, environmental, economic, or social. Our solution to mounting anxieties is to adopt a new perspective and approach, rather than dwell on circumstances beyond our control. We can keep our cool in turbulent waters. When we embrace the wisdom that security is based on self-reliance and detachment from unnecessary concerns, there is no doubt that the mind has the potential to generate solutions throughout history. However, it is as important to recognize that these solutions are not always long-term and can inadvertently exacerbate the problem. Existing issues are also critical. As a result, it is critical to recognize the mind's limitations and their impact on the current situation. In a landscape where personal advancement frequently takes precedence, the quest for purpose assumes significance. While pragmatic solutions to immediate challenges are diligently pursued, it is difficult to decipher the essence of existence. In order to find meaning and fulfillment, introspection into our motivations and objectives is required. By adopting a broader perspective that transcends momentary achievements, individuals can find more fulfillment. It is necessary to return to fundamental principles and ideals. In the midst of modern thought's labyrinth, it is critical that we realign ourselves between intangible but powerful principles and tangible but often transient policies. Despite the allure of instant gratification, our decisions are frequently influenced by enduring ideals, individuals who reconnect with these timeless principles. Over time, lay the groundwork for a more harmonious and balanced life. To accommodate changing cultural and societal dynamics, Religion has evolved from abstract ideals to practical manifestations. The essence of religion, on the other hand, remains a powerful force that shapes our outlook on life. Even in its most basic form, religion encourages us to look for the good in our daily lives. As we embark on our personal development journey, we must integrate principles and ideals. In a world, these guiding lights provide stability and direction. Ideals can be difficult to grasp because of their ethereal essence, which is not always discernible in the physical world. However, incorporating these intangible ideals into our decision-making process enables us to steer ourselves toward genuine growth and development. Overcoming negative thoughts, patterns, and habits is an essential part of the self-development journey. Self-awareness is a critical asset when embarking on such a transformative journey. These mental constructs can act as roadblocks to our progress and growth. Recognizing the negative patterns that have become entrenched within us allows us to dismantle their hold and replace them with healthier alternatives to seeing. Stillness and meditation are powerful tools in the pursuit of inner change. By doing so, we create a space for the mind to reset and refocus. Inner space allows us to reset our thoughts and break the negative cycle. Furthermore, participating in creative endeavors and reading inspiring literature fosters a sense of renewal, allowing us to emerge with a fresh perspective. However, when negative patterns become entrenched, re-education becomes an option. This process entails going back in time and tracing the origins of our habits. To understand the treat our negative patterns in motion, we must look back at our childhood, memories, and milestones. With this knowledge, we can begin the gradual process of unlearning and relearning in order to dismantle the old, while cultivating the new fundamental step towards inner peace and happiness. Cultivating a positive attitude is more than just a vanity project. To accomplish this, we must shift our focus from material gains to enduring and virtuous principles. The allure of success, for the sake of success, transforms the pursuit of happiness into a meaningful pursuit. When we redirect our ambitions toward goals based on principles, as life becomes more complicated, professional guidance becomes an invaluable resource. These experts act as objective and insightful mirrors, reflecting our inner landscape. We often discover and become more aware of ourselves through these interactions, allowing us to navigate our minds more effectively. Religion has been a guiding force for many people throughout history as culture and society have changed. Religion has progressed from abstract ideals to concrete manifestations. However, its essence is still powerful enough to influence how we live our lives. Religion encourages us to see the divine or the good in the mundane events of our daily lives. Rather than dwelling on flaws, gratitude fosters an attitude of acceptance and service to what is superior. It is a pillar of religious practices throughout our spiritual journey. We are reminded of the overarching importance of love, which is at the heart of religion. Ambition is a two-edged sword that works best when balanced with humility and perspective. Success is frequently driven by an insatiable desire for more, without regard for underlying values in tandem with ambition. The significance of proper thinking cannot be overstated. Realizing ambition while remaining humble results in a balanced approach. Personal development friendly. We shape our minds through deliberate effort. Self-development, like sculpting a masterpiece, requires a deliberate effort to break free from harmful habits and perspectives. We can meaningfully improve ourselves by recalibrating our mental landscape and replacing old negative patterns with new positive ones. Finally, mastering thought patterns and habits for self-development is a complex process. Critical thinking, reconnecting with timeless principles, cultivating positivity, and cultivating are all necessary for navigating life's complexities. Self-mastery requires gratitude and a commitment to embracing positive change.